Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to host a website on Google Drive. Now before we start, Google Drive used to offer a feature to host static websites, but this capability has been deprecated. Despite that, it's still possible to host a simple static website on Google Drive. Though it might not be the best solution for more advanced needs, to start create a folder in Google Drive, and you can do that by going to drive.google.com and you enter in your account credentials. Once you do that, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, create a folder by going to the plus new button right here and clicking on it and click on new folder. After that, name it the name of your website right here. Now let's access this folder right here. After that, upload your website files. This include the HTML files, the CSS style sheets, and any JavaScript file you need. Once the files are uploaded, you'll need to make the folder public. You can do that by right-clicking on the folder. Let's go back and right-click on the folder and click on share right here. Click on share again and change the sharing settings to anyone with the link or public on the web. You can do that by clicking on this drop down menu under general access and changing it to anyone with the link right here, and click on done to save the changes. By doing this, anyone with the link can access the files in the folder and your website will be viewable. However, Google Drive doesn't provide a built-in method to map a custom domain to the files in Drive, which means you'll need to use the URL generated by the Google Drive to share the website. While this method can work for simple projects or testing, for more robust websites or those that need additional functionalities like database or server-side processing, it's better to use services like Google Cloud, GitHub Pages, or other hosting providers designed for web hosting. And that's it. That's the way to host a website on Google Drive. It's not very interesting, but it does the job. Now, if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.